Okay, from Andy, thanks for making me remember. I am trying to focus on long moonshots on this free boon. I'm not sure I understand that. The Teens Quick Flip. This could be a game changer hold, and you've helped me remember my goals. Okay, that's great. Not sure which cryptocurrency you're talking about, but yeah, in general, you want to be a long-term investor. Yes, trading is good, and I think you have to. It's better to do both, right? But know what you're doing, right? So maybe have part of your portfolio that you allocate to long-term value investing that you don't touch for the next 1 year or so, and then you have a portion of your portfolio for trading, right? And also for the pump and dumps, basically, right? But put a very small percentage in that, right? Where people end up not doing well is they blur the line between the two. They turn a value investing portfolio into a trading portfolio, and they turn a trading portfolio into a long-term hodl portfolio. I mean, so long-term hodl for trading could work, but you have to know what you're doing, right? If you've been trading a coin for a while, whether day trading, swing trading, and it's been making money, and maybe you then do some research into it, and you like the fundamentals and technology, and you've made profit on it, maybe you sell the trade and you take the profits and you put that in your long-term stash and you go on to the next trade, right? So that could work, right? But if you're taking an L and you keep on holding that L, that bag, for a long time, and you haven't done any fundamental analysis on it or in-depth research on it, and you're just holding because you're waiting for it to become profitable, that's not the way to make money, unfortunately. And then when it comes to value investing, you have to know what you're holding. You have to also believe in it and believe that it's better than anything out there, and you believe there'll be upside long term, right? So that's kind of the perspective. So for me, I am kind of doing both, right? I have my long term holds, as mentioned: Helium, Matic, Uniswap. Right, then I have a few coins I'm trading based on our indices, right? Like the synthetic reserve rights, some yield farming, right? So I may take something I'm trading and stake it over the course of a few weeks to a month because I can earn extra yield on that, right? Then same thing with my value investor portfolio. Like I'm staking Matic right now. Helium, I'm mining it. Uniswap, I was looking into adding. I've been part of liquidity pools before, but for the token specifically, I was looking into it, and I'm likely going to do that as well. Right, so that's kind of my take. But definitely do share with us what you guys are doing in terms of value investing, even short-term trading, how you allocate your portfolio. Tell us down below.